Harper Mae Brisbane is marketed as a fashion boutique with branding that suggests it's an Australian business based in Brisbane. The website creates the impression of a local Aussie brand, but the real question is it actually Australian? Now, to be fair, many online fashion stores use city names in their branding. That alone does not prove the company is based in that location. What it does well: the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a premium boutique appearance. The website appears polished. A modern e-commerce design makes shopping simple and appealing, where the concerns start appearing. A Brisbane name doesn't prove an Australian business. This is the biggest issue. Many online retailers use Australian city names without actually operating in Australia. Product photos don't guarantee real-world quality. Marketing images may not always match what customers receive. Large ongoing discounts can create artificial urgency. Permanent sales can encourage impulse purchases. So, is Harper Mae Brisbane actually Aussie? Short answer, not necessarily. The name and branding alone are not enough to confirm that the company is genuinely based in Australia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.